we have a brand new floor plan, and starting off here we've got your dinette. You can see there's a ton of seating here. This is also going to give you an additional bed, plus you have overhead cabinet space there. A couple of theater reclining seats here. This is going to give you heating, massage, LED accent lighting. That center part folds down to give you an additional armrest plus additional cup holders. And then across we got your kitchen section. There's a charging port right here. Place out a TV up top, plenty of counter space here, drawer storage down below as well as over here. And then you got the huge single base stainless steel sink with the rolling drying tray. You got the detachable nozzle here that's going to make it really convenient to do your dishes. 3-burner cooktop and oven and microwave up top. And then we got your fridge located right here that's going to run on 12 volts. Pantry space located right on the side here, and more drawer storage down below. You do have a door here for privacy, but we're going to step into your bathroom first. So unique setup here, you kind of have this elongated bathroom. So you've got your sink on this side here, water heater control, a secondary entrance directly into here. So that's easy access to your toilet if you are outside. Then you've got open storage right here, nice size shower in here as well. Sliding door here for privacy. And then into your bedroom where you got the queen size bed. You immediately have your storage here. So you got hanging closet storage and shelf space down below. More overhead cabinet space, and then you have this additional storage area right over here. Place to add a TV, and then this mirror hanging right here.